I figured there's got to be at least a handful of people that would like to join in on a challenge. The problem is I don't really have much in mind, and I've been racking my brain trying to figure that out. I want to know what you would like to do, what you want to see, what you want to see me do, and if you would like to join me. This video is sponsored by me. Did you know I have 3 cookbooks and a seasoning company? Well, I do. Check them out. Everything is linked down below. The cookbooks are available on Kindle and paperback. And at Carnivore Companion, we sell seasonings with no BS whatsoever. So, check me out. Hey, what's up? This is Reed, aka CarnivorousChef. So for the past 20 days, I have been doing a rucking challenge, which is essentially carrying a weighted backpack. I've been doing that for 100 minutes a day, and I still have 10 days left to complete it. And if you're curious as to how my rucking challenge has been going, here's a clip. So I made a community post asking what else I should do after this is over, because I want to continue this streak of doing challenges that test me physically and show me more discipline. But I had this comment here that said that you should make this a community effort, which I kind of agree. So instead of just posting in the community tab, I thought I'd make a quick video to ask for your suggestions. Since I have over 60,000 subscribers at this moment, I figured there's got to be at least a handful of people that would like to join in on a challenge. The problem is I don't really have much in mind, and I've been racking my brain trying to figure that out. Whoa. Before we continue any further, did you know that 75% of the people watching my videos aren't subscribed? Why aren't you subscribed? All you have to do is click a button and it's totally free. And if you like this video, or any of my videos for that matter, hit that like button as well. It's a great way to help me out without spending any money, because it pushes this beautiful face in front of more people via the YouTube mysterious algorithm. But that's all. Let's continue. I want to know what you would like to do, what you want to see, what you want to see me do, and if you would like to join me. Comment down below and just leave some suggestions of what you think might be fun to do. I'm going to give the comments about 7 days of lead time so that by the time I'm done with my rucking challenge, I can set up some guidelines for the community challenge. It can be as simple as walking every day for X amount of time. It could be as outlandish as swimming in cold water every single day. If you leave a suggestion and we don't do that thing, just know that it's probably going to be written down, and it could be done in a future community challenge. I will be documenting everything that I do on each day of the challenge, and I suggest that you do the same thing, because if it's a physical challenge, you will definitely notice some differences towards the end of it. But that's all. Just leave your suggestions, and about 1 week from now, I will be posting another video with the challenge I've chosen, as well as some guidelines I'm going to set for it. And at the end of that challenge, I'll be posting a video just like you'll see with the rucking video. I'm excited to see what you suggest and to get this challenge started. So, see y'all in the comments.